Hello everyone, today I want to show you a new flashlight from Olight. It is Olight Warrior Nano here. It's a small flashlight that uses one A350 battery. Its battery is a proprietary battery with the capacity of 1100 milliamp. Okay, inside here. It has two switches, the side switch here and the tail switch here. The tail switch is also a magnet, okay, which is very good. Okay, the LED here, okay, the LED here is cool white LED. I don't know what brand of the LED. It just say cool white and 70 CRI 5700 to 6700K, something like that. Okay, also come with a clip here. Okay, the way to charge the battery, you have to use magnetic charging port. Okay, this one here. Okay, here. Red is charging full. Full charge is green. Okay, very easy. Okay, for the max lumens. Okay, for the max lumen, it says 1200 lumens. For the turbo, okay, 1200 lumens. It lasts about 3 minutes and then it steps down to about 400 lumens. Okay, for half turbo, this one is interesting. It has half turbo. Half turbo is 600 lumens. It lasts about 10 minutes and then it steps down to 400 lumens. High also step down. High 400 lumens and then it goes down to 60 lumen. Okay, medium, low, moonlight, no step down. Okay, medium 60 lumen, low 15 lumens and moonlight 0.5 lumens. Okay, for the max distance, okay, max throw 135 meters. Okay, here IPX8. Okay, okay, let's see how it works. Okay, I'll start from the side switch. One click to turn on, one click to turn off. When it is on, press and hold to cycle through brightness mode. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high. Okay. From on or off, double click for turbo. Here. From on or off, 3 clicks will go to strobe. 1, 2, 3. Here. From off, press and hold to access moon. Okay. Moonlight mode. It can memorize moonlight. It cannot memorize turbo, okay, and it cannot memorize strobe. To lock the flashlight, just press and hold for about 2 seconds. Now locked. Okay, here it is locked. To unlock, press and hold. Here, now unlocked. Okay. Okay. That's about the side switch. Okay, now the tail switch. There are 2 groups of the tail switch. This is the factory setting. Half press. Okay, half press is about medium, I think. This is medium, okay, half press. And then full press, you will get half turbo. Okay, not the turbo, half turbo. Half press, about medium, full press, half turbo. This is the first group. For the second group, okay, the way to change to the second group, you have to make full press, the tail switch, full press, and then click the side switch. Full press. Okay, to change the group, you have to full press and then click the side switch here. Okay, now this is strobe mode. Okay, strobe mode, the second group. Half press, about medium, full press, strobe. Okay, this is very good. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, here is the low mode. You can use low mode for walking around the forest, but in my opinion, it's still not enough. Okay, but it is usable. This is medium. Okay, medium is fine. Okay, medium is fine. Medium is good enough for walking around the forest. Very good beam. Here high. Okay, very good throw and a lot of usable spill here. Okay, this is high. Okay, yeah, high is good. Okay, let's go to turbo. Here, very bright. See that? Wow. Turbo lasts about 3 minutes, okay, before it stepped down. Very good beam. I have to say that I really love this Olight Warrior Nano. Very bright, good throw and good spill. Combination of throw and flood. Okay, very good. And its size is quite small. Okay, and it's also you can use it as a tactical flashlight. Okay. It has a tactical switch at the tail. Okay. Let me show you. Okay, here. The half press will go to about medium, and then full press will go to strobe. Okay. Something like that. Okay. Very good. This is about high mode. Okay, high mode. Overall, I love this flashlight. Okay, very good. In my opinion, things for improvement just maybe about the LED option. Personally, I like warm light LED. Okay, that's my opinion. Maybe Olight should provide the other LED option like warm light, something like that, 5000K, 4000K. Okay, but overall, it is very good. I really love this one. Very good design, and it's really powerful. Its beam is really good. Let me show you turbo again. Here, see that, very bright. Wow, very good. The beam is really good. Okay, good throw and a lot of good spill. I think Olight should make a headlamp using this lens. Very good. Okay. I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.